Okay, let's talk about the HLD mindset. What does it really mean to think like a system architect? So picture this. You've made a cool game, and right now it runs perfectly on your laptop. When it's just you, everything's easy, right? Your progress saves locally, no lag, it just works. But then, boom, your game is a huge hit. All of a sudden, 500,000 people are playing. And they all want stuff. Logins, leaderboards, chat. The system is suddenly under some serious pressure. So the question changes. It's not just about one feature. It's about the whole system working. And this is exactly where high-level design, or HLD, comes into play. Let's break it down. First up, system. It's not just code, It's the whole shebang that makes things work. Then you've got design. This is basically the blueprint. It's all about making smart choices up front. And high level, that just means we're zooming out. Think forest, not trees. Big picture stuff. So, put it all together, HLD is planning the big picture, so your system doesn't break under pressure. And what makes all of this absolutely necessary? Well, it all comes down to one little word: scale. Scale is just the amount of pressure on your system. Tons of users, tons of data. You get it? I mean, a chess game for 20 people is totally different from one built for millions, right? And this quote just nails it. Scale can turn something simple into a really tough design problem. Okay, so you might be thinking, how is this any different from just regular coding? Well, coding is about the what and the how. HLD is about the where and the what if. So why should you even care about this, honestly? It's a total game changer for your career. Because this is exactly what interviewers are testing for. It's not about buzzwords, it's about your thinking. So I'll leave you with this. Your app's user base just exploded. What's the very first thing that breaks?